Greetings from Shanghai. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. We are at SNEC 2024, the largest solar show that is happening right now. So we are at the booth of Tongwei, and they are going to explain us what is their top product they are promoting at this show.
Hi everyone, I'm Sadie from Tongwei Overseas Technical Support. Today it's nice to meet you here, and I'm going to introduce the module behind me, which is our popular product, which is already introduced in April this year. So here we can see this is our G1266 module with the highest power output up to 640 with the efficiency at 23.69%. This module has similar size as M1072 but around 30 watts higher power output. Regardless the both cost, LCOE cost or land occupancy, the performance of this module are all better comparing to the regular M1072 series module.
Thank you for the details on the TopCon product. So can we also know something about your heterojunction product?
Yeah, of course. As you all know, Tongwei also put a lot of effort in R&D area. So behind me, we can see this is our new generation heterojunction module with zero busbar design and copper interconnection. Comparing to our regular super slim body busbar design, there is less shading area on the surface by applying the zero busbar design, which increase the power output as well. The latest record for the power output of our heterojunction module is 765.18 watts with the efficiency at 24.63%.
So this is a lab-made module, right? So can you tell us the mass production details?
So the mass production power output for our heterojunction module is also up to 740 watts, and this is also a good news for the industry to have this kind of high power output solar module available.